When you log on to Classroom, you're going to have a couple different classrooms to choose from. You should have logged into your specials classroom, and if you need information on how to do that, you can look into Blooms. So this is all of the specials: gym, art, music, etc. You have one that has one with your teacher's name. This is from school. This is from your computer teacher. So when they were in school and were in computer class, this is where they would go. So this you do not need to worry about. The third classroom is 2019-2020 with a picture of Mrs. Schwinn. This is the one you need to go to. The first thing you need to do is click on the classroom name. Do not click on any of these down here. That's just showing you what is due. So click on 2019-2020, and it's going to bring you to the stream. Now the stream is just kind of like Facebook. It gives you all of the things that we posted for the week. This can get very confusing. So I recommend coming up to the top and going to classwork. Here I have organized the classroom into each day and what your child needs to do. So for Monday, 4/27, which was yesterday, there were 3 things they needed to do. If the 3 things, or if the assignment is gray, that means you've turned it in and you do not have to do anything else for that assignment. However, if we scroll down, and this child is on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, you will see that the assignment is blue. If it is blue, that means it is not turned in, it is not done, and your child needs to do that still. So I'm going to go ahead and look at math for tomorrow. I'm going to click to open it. And you can just click this assignment right here to open it up. And then your computer will make its own copy, and this is the assignment for your child. Now your child already knows how to do this because we have done this every day during school. They know how to do a Google Classroom. They know what to do. They know how to watch the direction video. What they might not know what to do is, or how to do, is to turn it in. So when your child is done, they've gotten to the bottom, they've completed everything in this Google Classroom, you're going to go back to the tab before where we were just at, and to turn it in, you have to click View Assignment. This just takes you to a new screen. It has your work over here, and it also has a button that says Turn In. So when you're finished, you're going to click that button, and then you're going to push Turn In. Now I'm not going to push Turn In right now because I'm not done. But when you're done, push Turn In, and then that will send your work to the teachers so that it can get completed, or graded, I mean. When you're all done, you can go back to 2019-2020, and again, click back up here on classwork so you can see with all of the titles what needs to be done. It's very organized. Now if you keep scrolling, you're going to find all the days of the week. You're going to find your weekly writing for this week. And you're also seeing behind the titles, you see either must do or optional. Must do are all the things that have to be done by Sunday in order for you to have attendance in school. Optional are things that they can do if they have free time, if they get done early. So these are all of our learning games. And then way down at the bottom, there's an optional science unit too. That I've also left on some assignments from last week. So Monday 4/20, that was last Monday. If any of these are blue in any of these days down here, that means that it is not turned in, it is missing. You need to get these completed. Again, it's the same thing. You just go in, click it, it'll open. Now, if we're looking at quizzes, which are a little bit different than the Google Classroom, let's go a different one. I'm going to open it the same way, but this is not a Google Classroom like we do at school. This one, there's going to be a lesson videotaped by one of the teachers, and then there are going to be some questions that they need to answer. When they're all done and they filled in all the answers, you click Submit, and then just close out that tab. It will automatically turn it in for you, but that is only for the Google Forms. If it's a Google Classroom here for Google Slides, you have to turn it in yourself. Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Okay, you can also view your work up here. It says View Your Work, remember, or on Classwork. We'll push View Your Work. And you can see that there are all of the assignments that need to be done for this week. Now, they're not really in any specific order. They're just kind of put in there. So what I like to do is I need to go over to missing. This is going to help you figure out if there are any assignments that are missing that need to be turned in to get attendance. Now, this person does not have anything missing, so nothing is showing up there. I can also see the assignments that I've turned in and the grade that I got. And again, I can see what has been assigned and I have not done yet. And if you ever need to get back, always push 2019-2020 and go to classwork so it's an organized view. Remember, if you have any questions on anything, please send us a chat over your GoGuardian, which is the little chat button in the corner of your child's screen, or you can talk to us on Blooms and we'll get back to you. If you do want to switch over to your specials classroom, you're going to click these 3 lines over here, and there are your 3 classrooms, so I can click on specials. And same thing, go to classwork, and you can see all the stuff that they have as well. All right, that's all for me.